Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. This is FISHchON. I'm out here on a new lake that I've never fished before. Gonna give it a shot and see what I can do today. Should be interesting. Anyway, I'll catch you guys out there. Let's go. There we go. Come on. Not a bad fish. Not a bad one. That was quick. Not a bad fish. Get on the boat. That's a, whew, that must be close to a 3-pounder. High twos for sure. Whew. Let's go, baby. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, no. Careful, boy. Careful. There we go. Solid fish to start off the day. On a swim jig, guys. What a beautiful fish. Here it is, guys. Alright, let's go ahead and release her. Let's go. Here we go. I'm on. Stay down. Little guy. Oh. 2 for 2. There we go. Little guy. Oh my goodness. There we go, we got it. It came back. Holy smokes, that was sweet. That's a big one. That's a toad. Oh my goodness. That's a toad. That's a tank. Holy crap, that's a tank. That's a huge fish. It's gotta be a 4. Gotta be a high 3, 4. Oh yeah. Look at that tank. Oh my goodness. That's what I'm talking about, guys. On the swim jig. What a beast. Oh my goodness. Look at that tank. Not a bad one to start off the day. Alright guys, gonna go ahead and go for the release. Water tank. Yeah. Oh my goodness, I had a fish. I was fixing my trolling motor and this fish came and bit it. That's awesome. Little guy. Oh, come on. Feisty. Here it is, guys. FISHchON. There we go. Little guy. They got a bunch of little guys in here. Ooh. Come on, little guy. Let me get your mouth. Ow. This guy hooking me. Whatever. Here it is, guys. Little guy. Whew. This one's a little feisty. It's always the little ones. Let's go. I'm on. Decent fish. Not a giant. Maybe I've been fishing this wrong the whole time. Stay down. Little guy. Oh my goodness. There we go. There we go, guys. Little 1 pounder. Alright. On the board again. There we go, little dinker down. Oh, right below the. Oh, there it is, guys. There we go. Right under that dock. Little dink. Alright. Oh my gosh, that's a freaking pike. I got it. Oh, okay. Get in the net. Get in the net. Here it is, guys. A little pike. Oh my gosh, I'm on. What the heck? Oh my goodness. I had a bad hook set on this fish. Feels like a good one. Stuck in the weeds. There we go. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good fish. Whew, finally. It's been all day. Oh. Terrible hook set on that fish, but still able to land it. Here it is, guys. Little chunk. Let's go. Hey guys, FISHchON here. I'm gonna call it a day today. Overall, the fishing was really good in the morning, but it started slowing down after 9 a.m. or so. The only decent pattern that I found today was fishing right off the edge of the lily pads. I did try the docks out, and the dock fishing here wasn't so great. The only fishes that I caught under the docks were small little fishes. So what I caught my fishes on today was using this swim jig right here, black and blue, and these are the trailers that I like to use. Hopefully you guys can see it. There it is. It's pretty dark. There we go. But yeah, these are the type of trailers that I like to use. Yeah, and this basically caught all of my fishes today. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. FISHchON.